little ducks went out to play over the hill and far away. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only two came waddling back. Two little ducks with a splashy round, they swam and swam without a sound. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only one came waddling back. One little dew all alone in the pond, looking here and there beyond. Mama duck called quack, 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 but the last one sneaked off the track. Mama duck looked high and low, worried and fretful to and fro. Three little ducks missing still, waiting by the windy. Then from the bushes came a cheer. Three little ducks now reappear. Mama duck called quack, 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 and all three waddled back. Three little ducks back in line, playing together, feeling fine. Mama duck called quack, 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 happy now with no more slack.